Just received these Raceland Primo coilover with adjustable dampers. I'm gonna install them. Don't have too much video left on this phone, but let you know how it went once I get the front end. Okay, this is the opening of the box for the Primo Raceland coilovers. Hadn't seen a video. It's my Mark IV GTI. Got them on my winter tires right now, but got those staggered mirrors, 18s. Anyway, came with these two spanners, couple of stickers. Okay, I just took them out the box. Got one rear shock and one front. That's the perch that it sits on. Everything's pretty good. I mean, it's powder coated. Anodized steel. Also looks pretty good too. Here's the adjustable top. So basically what you do is take this nut that they supply with the kit, replace it with the one that's on your existing shock, and then just adjustable dampers. Hope I didn't pay extra money for something that is not going to either stiffen the ride or make the ride feel better, but let you know in a minute. Okay, here's the driver's side Primo Raceland coilover, the adjustable dampers. It's an MK4 2005. These were the old ones. You can see it was pretty wore out. I guess they served their purpose anyway. Install is going pretty good so far. No issues. Just have to wrap up a few stuff here in the front. Already did passenger side. I noticed that there's actually 18 clicks, so I put it in a half, so that's 9, and I was told that it was 16 clicks, so I have to give them a call about that. Actually, whenever you plan on putting coilovers, new ones on, at least put them at least a ½ inch to an inch, because once they settle, if you can see it in there, but yeah, it's in there. Once they get to settle, your car will drop maybe a ½ inch or so. So be on the safe side. That's what I did. So buttoning up the front. And I'll let you know how the rear is going. Okay, here's the rear that I just took out of my 2005 GTI. So you're going to be reusing this top perch and also this bushing. If you can, I advise you to replace it. Might as well if you're going to put new shit on your car. So That's what it looked like underneath. Some little advice. Being I don't have a lift, a straight lift. It's a pain in the ass to take this spring off the perch here. And I'm by myself, so if you have a friend, have him help you out, because he has to push this down in order to release that spring. This pain in the ass right here. Also, remove the bolts on your sway bar. I'll get back to you, let you know how it went. Here's the final install of the rear Primo Raceland shocks with dampeners. It went pretty easy. Here's where you adjust your dampering right here. Next video I'll be taking is ride quality. See how it stiffens up, softens the ride. Alright, there it is. Hope this can help you guys that haven't seen this install yet on YouTube. Alright, take care. Subscribe, like if you want. Be safe. Here I just did a respray of my calipers. Got kind of banged up when I was taking out that spring perch right there prior to putting in the new Raceland Primo coilovers with dampening. So I said, the hell with it, why not? So there it is, did a respray of that rear, respray. Oh, and I got clear coat too. So I sprayed it and cleared it. Came out pretty good. Also put new brakes on it. So here's my winter tires. It's getting a little chilly out. Well, it was chilly out. It's warming up now. Sorry about that. Yeah, but putting on my murals here this summertime. We've got 225 40 ZR18 in the rear. In the front, I'm running 215 40 ZR18s in the front. Now, no rubbing issues. So yeah, I'll show you a quick video once I have them on. Subscribe, like if you want. Appreciate it. Take care. Before I install this last Miro tires, 225 40 18, just wanted to show you the stretch on it. It's a pretty nice stretch. Hand-cooked tires. Yeah, I'm almost done, which is great because our first videos, if you didn't notice or not, it was freezing like shit. Changing those springs, I think it was like that day 13 degrees, something like that, some shit like that outside. But here it is, almost done. Just finished spray painting and clear coating the calipers. So you see I installed that also. Came out pretty good. Some other shit right here. Got a Land Rover 24s on this. Alright, it's done, guys. Installed the Raceland Primo with the dampening. Went for a quick ride. It's kind of soft to my taste, but you know what I mean. Other than that, it ran pretty good. Not as tight as I like, but I'm gonna adjust. See what happens after that. As you see the stretch on them. Oh, and those bullet holes right there, it's my son's idea. I got time for that shit. Just poke a nice little poke. That's it, 05 GTI MK4. That's the Land over there. Do have one other vehicle. Some old school shit. Me and my son's working on it, but it's the 88 Lincoln Town right here. Alright, one thing I have to add, I'm not a mechanic. So by any means necessary, if you need to get shit done, you know, you don't quite feel comfortable, I advise you not to do it. But I like working on my own shit. Alright guys, take care. Hope this is a little bit helpful. I also put in the HID blackouts right here. And the automatic roll down windows too. I don't know if you can tell, but I have, you really can't see shit. Got all suede interior. Also got LEDs. Runs strong, so might keep it, might sell it, depends. Alright, that's it. Subscribe, like if you want. See ya.